Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 270 Limited 2.0 TDCI silver starts runs needs head gasket repair no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 121283. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Engine starts and sounds for fitting. This should be a straightforward head gasket replacement job, no VAT Euro 6 Ulez compliant bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, air-con, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call